choice. Kaya be humble. Therefore, humble yourself in the mighty hand of God. Piliin mo na magpasakop sa Diyos. Piliin mo na wala ka ibang itatanghal kundi ang Diyos. Hindi ang ating mga sarili. Kaya ito po ang hamon ng Diyos. Tingnan niyo kung paano siya magbigay ng pabor. Sabi ng Proverbs 18:12, humility goes before honor. He honors the humble man. Inaangat niya, pinararangalan niya. Grabe, no? Lahat na nagpaparangal sa Diyos, pinaparangalan niya. Sabi niya, and whoever exalts himself shall be humbled, and whoever humbles himself shall be exalted. Hindi lang ito pamumuhay ng simple. Ito ay simpleng si Jesus lang ang pinamumuhay. Are you following? Yan ang humility. And look at what happened. Tingnan si David. David was prospering. Look at how God shows His favor. Prospering in all His ways.